Hello everyone. This topic is on semantic model. What is a semantic model? A semantic model in the context of data analytics and business intelligence is a structured way to define and organize the data you work with. It adds meaningful descriptions and context to your raw data, making it easier to understand, use, and analyze. Why use a semantic model in DBT? In DBT, Data Build Tool, a semantic model serves several important purposes. Consistency, it ensures that everyone in the organization is using the same definitions for key metrics and dimensions. For example, total sales or customer region will always mean the same thing, no matter who is looking at the data. Clarity, it provides clear and understandable descriptions of your data. Instead of seeing a cryptic column name like CUSTID, you would see customer ID with a description explaining what it represents. Ease of use, it simplifies the process of building reports and dashboards. Users can drag and drop fields without needing to know complex SQL or the underlying data structure. Error reduction, by defining complex calculations and aggregations in one place, you reduce the risk of errors and inconsistencies that can occur when these are manually replicated across multiple reports or analyses. How does a semantic model work in DBT? In DBT, you define semantic models in your project using YAML configuration files. These models describe the structure and meaning of your data. Here's a breakdown of the key components. Entities, these are the main objects or subjects in your data, such as customers, products, or orders. Each entity is defined with its attributes and relationships to other entities. Measures, these are the quantitative metrics you want to track, like total sales, average order value, or number of customers. Measures usually involve aggregations like sum, count, average, etc. Dimensions, these are the attributes or characteristics of your entities that you use to slice and dice your measures. For example, product category, customer region, and order date are dimensions. Primary entity, this is the main entity around which the model is built. It's often a key business object like an order or a transaction. Then next see the semantic fill YAML configuration. This YAML configuration file, schema3.yml, is part of the DBT project and serves multiple purposes. Firstly, it defines a model named sales aggregated 3, which aggregates sales data along with customer and product information. For each column in this model, detailed descriptions are provided to clarify the data's meaning, such as order ID being the unique identifier for each order, and customer name indicating the customer's name. Furthermore, the file defines a semantic model called Sales Semantic Model 3 linked to the Sales Aggregated 3 model. This semantic model includes default settings, like aggregating time-based data by order date, and outlines entities representing primary and foreign dimensions for orders, customers, and products, identified by order ID, customer ID, and product ID respectively. It also specifies measures, such as total sales, the sum of sales amounts, and total orders, the count of orders, to provide summarized metrics. Additionally, dimensions like order date, product category, and customer region are detailed, with order date being partitioned by day for time-based analysis. Overall, this configuration helps in organizing and describing the data model, making it easier to understand and query the sales data effectively. Then next configure the metric flow time spine model. I will provide the code in description. Then create job, then use proper commands like dbt run means I will run all things, and dbt test means it will run all tests, and in dbt job enable docs generate. Then run it. Then after job completed, see this how this will work, see it in Explorer tab.